In this video, I will tell you how to transfer from wireless to exchanger in Binance. So first, what you need to do is open the Binance app and go to the assets section. Once you're there, under the exchanger section, tap on deposit. Now, choose the token or coin you want to receive from wireless. For example, let's select USDT. After that, pick the network you want to use. In this case, BNB network. Once the network is selected, copy the deposit address by tapping on the copy option. Next, go back to the wireless section, open it up, then head to assets under wireless. From here, find the coin you want to send. Let's take USDT again. Once you select it, tap on the send button. Before sending, make sure the network you choose matches the one you copied from Binance. For example, if you copied a BNB address, choose BNB network. If it was Solana or Ethereum, select the correct one accordingly. After selecting the proper network, tap Send. Now paste the address you copied earlier. Tap on Paste, then Done. Next, press Continue. You can either tap Max to send the full amount or manually enter the amount you'd like to transfer. After that, tap Continue again. The transfer will then be processed and your tokens will arrive in the exchanger section of Binance. Thanks for watching.